Hello Chainlink Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the latest update of the Chainlink, and in this video I'm going to show you the prediction of Chainlink in the July, my friends. Is the price pump, is the price dump in the July or not, my friends? In this video I'm going to show you on the basis of technical analysis, so keep watching this video complete. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, also like this video, my friends. So let's start the video, my friends, without wasting any time. My friends, first of all, the current price of the Chainlink is 18.07 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Chainlink. Furthermore, you can see here, if we talk about the price changes of the Chainlink price, you can see here that is the changes occur in the Chainlink, my friends. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. You know what, my friends, the previous changes occur in the Chainlink is negative completely. I also know the previous time of the Chainlink that the last the May, June, the price is very badly fast down in the June month, especially in the June month. Every cryptocurrency is fast down in the June, my friends. But don't worry, now in the July month there is a possibility to every coin explode. Not only the Chainlink price is explode in the July, my friends, there is a higher possibilities to the price of the cryptocurrencies increase, my friends. Now let me show you the price chart of the Chainlink, that what's going on in this time in the Chainlink. Oh my goodness, you can see it from this chart. That's clear that the Chainlink is still falls down. You can see the latest chain is also in the falls down, so that means that now at this time the price of Chainlink is still falls down. Let me zoom it for more in pattern understanding, my friends. That is the 1st July chart. You can see here 1st July chart of the Chainlink, my friends. You can see here that is the July chart, and you can see now this time the price is still falls down. Price is continuously falls down, you can see, but sometime the price take a small pump and now again falls down. So my friends, at this time they have no idea to take a pump, but I think that after 1 to 3 days the price will explode. Absolutely, they have to explode, because you know what, that is the common cryptocurrencies rules, that after a fast there is a jump, and you know what, and the previous time completely fast down in the Chainlink, absolutely they have to take a jump, my friends. So that is why my prediction is going positive about the Chainlink, and I'm feeling good about the Chainlink because I know the future of Chainlink is very bright, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about the Chainlink? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.